A very good evening. I'm Aditi Lama with the Thursday night edition of South Asian News, Vision of Asia. We are coming to you from our studio in New Jersey. Welcome to the show. Let's begin the episode taking a look at the coronavirus pandemic updates and measures. The world is at more than 255 million COVID-19 cases and more than 5 million deaths. Here in the United States, we're at 47 million cases of the coronavirus and more than 766,000 deaths. Most infections and deaths continue to be amongst the unvaccinated, and they remain at the highest risk of getting COVID-19. The US FDA is expected to authorize the COVID-19 booster dose for anyone who wants one very soon, and this could be a game changer in the protection against the coronavirus. If you are already eligible, though, for the dose, and it has been 6 months since your initial vaccination, please visit vaccines.gov for more information on the third dose and your appointment. Some states such as Colorado, California, New Mexico, or Arkansas have now opened boosters to all who can receive it. In politics, the House voted to censure Representative Paul Gosar after posting an animated video that showcased him killing Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. He has been removed from his 2 committee assignments. Censure is the most severe punishment in the House, and this was the first time this has happened in a decade. With that, let's now take a look at the headlines coming in tonight. Hackensack Meridian Health encourages vaccination in children ages 5 to 11, New Jersey. My Indian Nursing Home celebrates annual Ankut 2021, Arista Care, New Jersey. Federation of Indian American Seniors Association of North America hosts Gala 2021 at the Royal Albert's Palace in New Jersey. Well, it's time for a short break on Vision of Asia South Asian News segment. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. And welcome back. I'm Aditi Lama, and this is Vision of Asia, Thursday night episode of South Asian News. On coronavirus updates and more, children as young as 5 have now been eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine, and pediatricians to experts all across the country are all encouraging parents to get their child vaccinated against COVID-19, saying that benefits outweigh the risks from the COVID-19 vaccine. In this age group, the pace of vaccination is slowly picking up, with more parents developing faith in the vaccine and the science. Nearly 10% of the nation's young children have now had their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer. We have reached 2.6 million of the 28 million children already, which experts said is a good sign. Studies have shown that this vaccine currently especially is extremely effective at preventing hospitalizations as well as deaths from the coronavirus, and it's imperative that young Americans get vaccinated. On this, we have now highlights from Hackensack Meridian Health in New Jersey, where children were recently inoculated for the first time at the Jersey Shore University Hospital near Asbury Park. Here's a story of Hackensack Meridian Health's efforts towards vaccinations of children in the state.
You were awesome. All finished. That was it.
I'm getting my COVID vaccine.
And how do you feel about that?
Brave and also happy
So why do you feel great and happy that you're getting your vaccine today?
because I don't really know. I just feel that way because I really want to stop COVID from spreading, and I don't get COVID. I don't know. I do not know. I just feel that way.
I got my vaccine.
And was it fun?
Mm-mm.
No? Did it hurt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. So why is it important that people get their vaccines?
So people can stay safe, and your family and your teachers and your sport teachers. Alexa.
Okay, what's your name?
Matthew,
Awesome. So what happened today, guys?
we got vaccinated with the
What
COVID
happened
shot,
today?
We got vaccinated.
And why is it important that you guys get vaccinated?
so we stay safe.
It doesn't hurt, and it would be safe for you.
Awesome. And how old are you?
7.
And how old are you?
11.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
I got my vaccine
So why did you get your vaccine?
to protect me from COVID.
Do you want to protect any other people from COVID?
Yes,
Who do you want to protect from COVID?
my family and my friends.
That's right. So what would you tell your friends if they were scared to come in today?
It doesn't feel like much. You only feel a pinch for like a second.
Getting the COVID vaccine.
So when I ask you a question, just try to answer back in a sentence. So if I say, what are we doing today? Just say, today I'm getting the COVID vaccine. So what are we doing today?
Today I'm getting the COVID vaccine.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel great
Why do you feel great?
because I am safe from getting COVID.
And are you going to help keep other people safe as well?
Yeah.
So I brought my children to finally get vaccinated against COVID-19 today. It's a day that we've been waiting for. It's really important for us and for us as parents, but also as physicians, to have our children vaccinated, because I think it's our way of doing our part to hopefully end the pandemic. And I mean, as a pediatric rheumatologist, the patients that I have been taking care of are those patients with multi-organ inflammatory syndrome in children after COVID-19, or MISC. And really, the rates are showing now that these are the age group that are more affected these days with COVID. So this really means a lot to us.
It's a really exciting day for us today. My daughter, who's 7 years old, just got vaccinated with the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. And this is such a significant milestone in our fight against COVID-19. It's the best way to keep children in school, in person, for the rest of the year. And it's by far the safest and most effective way that we can prevent getting kids infected with COVID-19.
Let's now take a look at Aristocare's My Indian Nursing Home based in New Jersey. Run by community leader Mr. Mukund Tucker, My Indian Nursing Home provides skilled care to Indian senior citizens and has created a home away from home for many of the seniors living in the nursing home. Focused on language, culture, food, and religion, the nursing home provides comfortable living and assistance for the needs of Indian seniors who miss their motherland. With that, My Indian Nursing Home hosts numerous religious and cultural events throughout the year to keep the seniors engaged and attached to India's culture, heritage, and religion. Recently, Aristocare's My Indian Nursing Home hosted annual Ankut celebrations at its premises. Here are some highlights.
Let me introduce my staff. He is Shailesh Bhai Patel. He is CEO of Indian Nursing Home. Ankita is a director of Indian Nursing Home. Ramila Thakur, she is the vice president of the Indian Nursing Home. Alpa is the director of Indian Nursing Home in Almeida. She is a recreation person, and she is also a recreation person, but like my daughter. They are working like a 7 day a week, without any kind of guideline. Like guideline, that means they not go by the rule, but they say they are my dada and they are my ba. Whatever, whenever they want anything, they give it to they out of their way, and they are really serving Mudrika and Megha. She is our Annapurna. She is a cooking for all our ba dada, whatever they really like, and they are love them, and they all are the Annapurna. Reena, she is a nurse. She is doing wonderful job for the ba and dada. Rita Ben is also Annapurna. She start from our nursing home. Start from day one. She is working as a recreation aide. Aruna.
My name is Trupti. I am recreation. Hi, my name is Arpita. I am a nurse. I am named Hetal Patel and recreation.
My name is Padma and I am recreation aide.
I'm Erika. I'm Erika and I'm a nurse here.
Hemina Sastri, Arista Care, recreation aide.
She is the supervisor and she take care of everything. Bhavna Patel. બા કેવું લાગ્યું તમને આજે કેવું મજા આવે છે અન્નકૂટમાં આનંદ થઈ ગયો બા કેમ છો કેવું મજા આવે આજે નર્સિંગ હોમમાં અન્નકૂટ થયો સારું લાગ્યું વેરી ગુડ બા બોલો કેવું લાગે છે સારું લાગે છે આજે શું છે
આજે અન્નકૂટ છે
ભગવાનનો અન્નકૂટ કેવું લાગે છે મસ્ત લાગ્યું કેવું લાગે છે બા
સરસ
વેરી ગુડ
સરસ ફાઇન બધું સારું કર્યું
very good. And Dr. Sudhir is also our family too. They come whenever we need. The Mr. Bhati and Madanji is always ready for nursing home. They consider this is their home too. So it's a really nice Ankut today, and all the ba dada are enjoying today. Let me introduce my ba dada. Ba કેવું લાગ્યું તમને બોલો
2 વર્ષે અંકુર થયો સરસ લાગ્યું અમને તો બહુ આનંદ થઈ ગયો
બહુ આનંદ થઈ ગયો
થઈ ગયો
વેરી ગુડ કેવું લાગ્યું બા
સરસ લાગ્યું
ગુડ
બહુ સરસ મજા આવી
ગુડ आप बोलिए कुछ आप बोलिए कैसा लगा वो अनकुट सब
Yes, very good. Congratulations. My heartfelt prayers to Almighty God to bless you for a longer, happy, long life. So that you can progress in life physically, economically, educationally, socially, culturally, spiritually, and in every walks of life.
Thank you.
All the best.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Delgado. I am the Director of Business Development for Aristocare Health Services. We're happy to be here today for the Diwali celebration for our residents and staff with the Aristocare Indian Nursing Home Program by Mukund Thakur. All of our Bas and Dadas are super happy to be here and celebrate with us. So, thank you. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year!
We would like to wish you Happy Diwali and Happy New Year from Aristocare at Cedar Oaks Indian Nursing Home Program by Mukund Thakur.
It's now time for another short break on Vision of Asia, Voice of the Community. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. And welcome back. I'm Aditi Lama and this is Vision of Asia South Asian News segment. Let's now take a look at FISANA, the Federation of Indian Seniors Association of North America, addressing the South Asian senior community in the tri-state area. Aimed at the population that migrates from India at an older age, FISANA develops a consensual, coordinated and integrated approach to the common needs and goals of Indian seniors. FISANA also is the largest umbrella organization in the Indo-American senior community of the entire country, representing over 20,000 members. Throughout the year, FISANA hosts numerous events to gather together the senior community who miss India and bring forth displays of Indian culture, performance arts, literature, and much more. Recently, FISANA held its annual 2021 gala at the Royal Albert Palace, honoring key members for their efforts and contributions. The event also saw in support Deputy Indian Consul General of New York, along with ITV Gold's chairman, Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parekh. Here is the story.
It is such a great pleasure to be here at FISANA's annual Diwali event here to join all the elderlies and seniors in our society. In my view, there's nothing better than to celebrate Diwali with them, to learn from them and to take their blessings as we also start our new year. A very happy new year to all the brothers and sisters. Thank you so much and a very happy Diwali to you all. Thank you.
Well, we all are lucky here, and I can see that I'm a proud senior citizen myself. I may not look like senior citizen, but I am senior citizen. And I'm very proud of it. Because when you become a senior citizen, you get a lot of experience, good and bad, lot of wisdom, good and bad. And you would like to advise a lot to the people, even though they don't listen to you, or they may not listen to you, or they may listen to you. But what you are doing here, you have created India outside India, India in USA. And believe me, even in Ahmedabad, senior citizen does not have this kind of gathering. So I must congratulate Deepak Bhai, Rati Bhai, and all FISANA to create this kind of atmosphere. And again, of course, credit also goes to Vishnu Bhai Patel and Manar Bhai Patel, who really holds the flag in the New York State. Please keep it up, because of you, our family gets a sanskar and empower the young generation with our sanskar, our sanskriti, our religion, our faith teaching, and that way you will see that your generation to come will be very successful, very honest, and very, very accomplished. So again, wish you all the best, and again, Nutan Varsha Abhinandan, and wish you all the best for coming New Year. Thank you.
ITV के दर्शकों को दिवाली और विक्रम संवत 2079 की शुभकामनाएं। आप सबको प्रभु श्रीनाथ जी बाबा स्वास्थ्य अच्छा बख्शे और समृद्ध रहो, सुखी रहो, आनंदी रहो एंड प्रभुमय जीवन बिताने की प्रयत्न करो, ऐसी प्रभु को प्रार्थना। आज यहाँ फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन अमेरिकन सीनियर सिटीजन एसोसिएशन की दिवाली की शुभ मिलन की रात है। पूरा हॉल में करीबन 1000 पीपल आए हैं और एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। ऐसे ही ये कोरोना के 1.5 साल में से जैसे कोई पंछी पक्षी पिंजरे में से निकलता है, ऐसे आज लोग निकल के सब एंजॉय करने का आए हैं। तो ITV के दर्शकों को फिर से एक बार किरण देसाई का खास नए साल की शुभकामनाओं और आपको प्रभु हमेशा सुखी रखे। जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री वल्लभ।
વિષ્ણુભાઈ પટેલ, આજે ફિસારાનું સિનિયર સિટીઝનોનું છેલ્લા 20 વર્ષથી ચાલતો પ્રોગ્રામ આજે અદ્ભુત ગયો। બધા તે સાથે સહકાર મળી દાનની રકમો આપી આ ફિસારાને દિવસે દિવસે કેમ એની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ વધે, બધા સિનિયરો અને ઇન્ડિયનો એક થઈ અને સમાજનું અને દેશનું હિત ઈચ્છે એવી અમારા બધાની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ। આભાર।
Good evening. My name is G.K. Patel. Today we are all get together at Royal Albert to celebrate FISANA's annual day. It is very, very good organized program today. We have approximately 400 people attending the program. So far, music and food is as usual like Albert Palace. You get a good food and everybody enjoying the program. God bless America, God bless USA. Thank you. I'm a past president and one of the initially, we started in FISANA. I'm the second or third president of FISANA, past president. And FISANA is right now more than 20 years and servicing all Indian seniors in New Jersey and around other states around too. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Mukund Mehta and my wife's name is Padma Mehta. Today we had come to attend FISANA's Diwali program. This was a great program. Number of associations have been represented under the umbrella of FISANA and everybody enjoys it. And the main thing is that the seniors who take a part in various activities, they always remain young. So it is by appeal that age is just the number. It is the participation in various activities that will make you young and energetic.
Thank you. Thank you, ITV. My name is Deepak Shah, chairman of the FISANA. Tonight was a great event of a Diwali function of FISANA, Federation of Indo-American Senior Associations from North America. Every year we do some program to elevate the life of senior people in the tri-state area. This year we have a unique program because of the last year we could not do any event because of pandemic. I guess seniors are more get lifted with any kind of program where they can be appreciated.
Our group from Ben Salam, Pennsylvania, and we are proud to be here. We are senior citizen there, and our group is always get together 5 times a year. We do the Diwali functions, we do the picnic, and we do the Garba Raj.
Sunny Patel from Ben Salam, Indo-American Senior Citizen Association. We proud to be here with the FISANA. FISANA is, we came first time, but we enjoy and everything. And we do the same thing. Thank you. Happy Diwali, Happy New Year, Raja Party.
Hi, my name is Praveen Shah. I have been invited in a FISANA to represent my hospital called Jalaram Hospital, which is in the Meghraj, in the state of Gujarat, near the border of Gujarat and Rajasthan. This hospital has been a 25-year-old hospital, but it is using a very old technology, and the hospital is falling apart. So I made a proposal to build a new hospital with the latest technology. And right now, over there is 85% population, the poor people, We provide a free service to everybody.
With this, we wrap up our show for the night. Please send us your suggestions and get your voices and organizations on our show. You can email us on events@itvgold.com, or you can follow us on our Facebook handle @itvgold. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for free access to many of our popular shows. Thank you for joining us tonight from Edison, New Jersey. This is Vision of Asia, and I am Dati Lamba. Take care and be well.